This is a place where I feel.
This is my knife. I carry it everywhere I go. You can see the blade is a little messy because I tend to use it for everything I do. Cutting pizzas, opening boxes, anything I need. It's very handy and very sharp. But it's all gunked up. I'm very hard on everything I own. In order to keep it working right, I like to take care of everything. Today, I'm going to be cleaning my knife. There's also a buildup of pocket lint or whatever on these little ridges on the switch. Let's see if I can get that off. Some of this stuck on gunk might require something a little bit stronger. Wow. Here's my reason for this video. If you're gonna carry something with you everywhere you go, or use it every day, or even own it and pay money for it in that matter, you might as well take care of it. It doesn't take too long and it can actually be kind of therapeutic to just take care of the things you own. So I'd like to encourage you guys, if anything you have needs a little loving, just take 30 minutes and do it. Make it last longer and you'll feel good about it. End rant.